हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि जेतलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is thunder. It means gadgadahat. The second word is storm. It means tufan. The third word is museum. It means sangrahalay. The fourth word is destination. It means gantavya. The fifth word is abide. It means palan karna. The sixth word is absorb. It means avshoshit karna. The seventh word is admire. It means प्रशंसा करना. The eighth word is adventure. It means साहसिक कार्य. The ninth word is ambition. It means महत्वाकांक्षा. The 10th word is analysis. It means विश्लेषण. The 11th word is ancient. It means प्राचीन. The 12th word is appreciate. It means sarahna. The 13th word is arrest. It means गिरफ्तार करना. The 14th word is artificial. It means कृत्रिम. The 15th word is assistant. It means सहायक. The 16th word is inspire. It means प्रेरित करना. The 17th word is innovation. It means नवाचार. The 18th word is tenacious. It means दृढ़. The 19th word is serendipity. It means संयोगवश लाभ. The 20th word is associate. It means सहयोगी. The 21st word is assure. It means आश्वस्त करना. The 22nd word is astonish. It means आश्चर्यचकित करना. The 23rd word is attraction. It means आकर्षण. The 24th word is auction. It means नीलामी. The 25th and last word is durable. It means टिकाऊ. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.